New Orleans Mayor LaToya Cantrell was a no-show at a news conference she called to discuss support for city schools. It happened at the same time that the Orleans Parish School Board was next door at Civil District Court suing the Cantrell administration for backing out of a school funding agreement. Paul Murphy reports the administration says that agreement was never a done deal.
New Orleans Mayor LaToya Cantrell called a morning briefing to, quote, provide information about the collaborative efforts being made by city and school leaders. She backed out of the news conference, just like some would argue she backed out of a settlement agreement with the Orleans Parish School Board. Cantrell spokesman Terry Davis ran interference for the mayor, saying the administration and a group of charter school officials met just yesterday to discuss a path forward.
What they've been saying is, let's talk about how we get these payments and get this resolved. Maybe not the original way that it was planned. Let's find out how we do that. That has got mixed up in words like renege, not going to do it. None of that is true.
As Davis addressed reporters, attorneys for the school board and city council were in civil district court asking a judge to enforce the original settlement agreement. The city says the mayor never signed off on the agreement. School board attorney William Aaron argued the deal was properly negotiated by city officials, including CAO Gilbert Montano. And he says the money was appropriated by the city council in this year's budget.
The mayor knew about it. Okay, the mayor might not have been on the email stream, but I just can't imagine the CAO acting as he did, thinking that he had authority and not having authority. He talked to the mayor about it.
The first installment of $10 million was due by the end of December and the second installment by this April. City Attorney Denisha Turner said the city is still amenable to settling this case.
We just stand by what we've been continuing to say, is that the mayor continues to support the school children and the school system, and we will just have to work out all the other issues in court.
This dispute stems from a 2019 lawsuit in which the school board claimed the city kept a portion of sales and property tax revenue that was intended for schools. Attorneys are expected back in court on March 25th. The school board attorney told us regardless of how the judge rules, this case will likely be decided by the Louisiana Supreme Court. Paul Murphy, WWL, Louisiana.
Judge Nicole Shepard said she intends to issue a ruling at that March 25th hearing.